There is something common between you and me, that we both use English a lot of times, right? Now there was a perspective challenge by our mentor asking that whether English should be banned in India or not. I am here, Santosh, to represent my ideas on this perspective challenge. Now let's first understand what is a language. Language is a medium to express ideas, to understand each other, and to share our experiences. It is a way of communication, right? And you might have heard that body, you have a body language because your body also communicates, right? Eyes, through eyes you can communicate. A lot of youngsters will always, think that yeah, you can express your ideas, you can express your love with eyes. So language is a form of communication, and language has always been evolving. Now it takes 500 to 1000 years as per a research which tells that a new language can be formed within 500 years, 1000 years. And that is the reason the language has always been evolving, constantly adapting to different things, to the way our environment is. And that is one of the reason why we have hundreds of languages in this world now, thousands in fact, right? Now let's try to understand why and how does a language change, right? So there are importantly three different reasons why a language changes or evolves. One is trade and commerce, you can say, right? So whenever a country, from a person from one country, it goes to, he goes to another country, because of the trade and commerce between multiple countries, the language changes because of the culture and ideas, and it gets shifted, it actually adapts, because two different people are now interacting with each other. So there is a heavy chance that the language would evolve, adapt to whatever circumstances it is, right? And that is one of the reason that you might see a lot of words itself in English itself, right? In English dictionary you may see that there has been constant update to the English dictionary just because of this. Who knew email, which is actually a short form of electronic mail? Who knows that? Who knew that earlier? Who knew internet? Do you know the even the Hindi word of internet? I don't know. It might be even difficult for me to tell you. And that is how even the English has changed, and so is Hindi. And that is the reason why English is now being easily used by a lot of people. Another example why languages get changed is because of technology. Because of technology there are new words coming in. Who knew that we would be lured by clickbaits? Have you ever heard of clickbaits before? No, I did not hear that. Who knew that there will be uh, carbon footprints, and you will do something not to have carbon footprints? What is the Hindi of that? I don't know. Even 50 years, 100 years back, nobody even knew what is carbon footprint. There are many chances, where a word has changed its meaning, also the same word. So the old words have got a new meanings because of the new environment, right? Mouse, so today we use mouse. The mouse is also a species, right? An organism. And mouse is also the way we use in computers, right? Emails, web is now internet, right? And web is also the spider's web. So it has acquired new meanings because it is constantly adapting to the new circumstances. And the same is, I think, with English, because there are a lot of words nowadays which has been in constant use, and now people are finding easier way to communicate to each other, so English is there. So I think, yes, we know that when people are changing from Hindi to English, we are losing a piece of culture from our side. But I think there are a lot of words where you don't know the Hindi of that, and it has become so much easier to communicate in English that I just saw news where MG Hector, the one of the good cars which is coming to India, which has already come to India, and they have 2 weeks back they launched something where they are saying that now the MG Hector can understand some 30 commands in English. Just see the impact of this, how much English has ingrained within us, that now there are all these technologies, all these new inventions, all these new industries are adapting to that. In the MG Hector, or even in, I think, in Tata's new model, they can understand English. So you can say वॉल्यूम कम करो, वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ, दरवाज़ा ओपन करो, डोर खोलो, बंद करो, सनरूफ ओपन करो, सनरूफ को बंद कर दो, म्यूज़िक चलाओ, something like this. It is all English. It has been so ingrained. You see, a lot of our meetings, our communication is happening in English because we don't know the real world. अगर मैं आपसे हिंदी में बात करने लग जाऊँ, शुद्ध हिंदी में, तो शायद हमें वार्तालाप करने में बहुत ही दिक्कत होने लग जाएगी. हम शायद इस परिस्थिति के अनुरूप कई सारी बातें कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. It has become so difficult. There are no more words and there is no incentive also. Are we incentivizing our Hindi teachers? Are we incentivizing that everything should be happening in Hindi? I know there have been drives from government that every communication in their offices will happen in Hindi, and all the written communication will happen in Hindi. But there have been a lot of protests because people are finding it really difficult. And I think it's a very natural evolution which is happening to this language. It will happen because now we are interacting with so foreign world so much that you cannot live with Hindi because there are so many words which is lacking in Hindi because of constant technology adaptations, inventions happening. What can we do in that? And if there are not enough incentivization, and if there are not enough incentives, and there is no promotion from government, nobody will listen to Hindi only. In fact, people will forget Hindi in some time. Maybe it will take hundreds of years, but it may happen. So my perspective is that it cannot be banned actually. It has been so ingrained in a lot of things, in our communication, in our new things, new gadgets, that you don't have even Hindi words for those things. There has to be some real pressure from someone, and until unless the trade and commerce and new technology and inventions, you don't make Hindi words for them, it is really very difficult to adapt and improve and grow in this new world. It is really difficult. I accept it. We can't do much. So I think it should not be banned in India. In fact, you cannot ban. Let's be very practical in this. Thank you.